Yes, Random Adventure starts off at Morro Bay, California, down at Ocean View Garage, where we try to sell all these t-shirts and sweatshirts for the car show, all the hats. We go every year. The weather was absolutely stunning on Thursday and Friday, but Saturday it did rain, but we had already packed up and got everything inside, thank goodness. Without the endless hours from the volunteers, this car show would not be possible. So I want to shout out to all the volunteers that come down and help during Thursday night pre-registration, Friday and Saturday for the car show and the cruise night. They also bring their kids down, and the kids serve food. They have for Thursday night pre-registration, food and drinks over at Ocean View Garage down on Morro Bay Main Street. But the countless volunteers that help out, it's awesome. I have a separate video on the hotel I stayed at. Check it out, guys. This hotel was in between Morro Bay and Cayucas, right off the freeway, but every view was awesome. Top Dog, of course, starting off that day right with Top Dog. You can't pass that up off Main Street in Morro Bay, California. This coffee, the pastries are amazing. The staff is absolutely top-notch when it comes to customer service. So if you ever head down to Morro Bay, California, stop and get a coffee at Top Dog on Main Street. It will blow you away. They're so nice and kind, and the coffee is truly amazing. Definitely wakes you up in the morning. This is Bree. She brought her car down. It was the loudest car, I believe, at the car show. It was very loud, but it was breathtaking. A beautiful vehicle. When Sarah did get there, finally, Miss Garcia, we headed over to Harbor Hut. And of course, I always like to start dinner off with dessert, and we kind of threw our waitress into a whirlwind of mistakes, but it's okay. This is our food. I had the prawns and scallops, and Miss Garcia over there, she was feeling very fishy and chippy, so she had the fish and chips. And this is over at Harbor Hut. If you haven't been down there, you gotta try it out. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Don't do the little portable place up front. Just do the actual Harbor Hut restaurant. Someone told me the other day that their deep fried fish is different. The beer batter is better inside than it is outside, but we did try the outside. We never do. This is breakfast at the hotel, and like I said, we're going to do a complete different video for the hotel because it was truly stunning. Catered breakfast, and the frittata was amazing. You decide what you want in it. Dishware, every detail in this hotel is amazing, but I want you guys to see the other video over in the hotel. It's just absolutely stunning. First day for Sarah on Saturday was to sell t-shirts. I did a big Thursday, Friday push, but she came down Saturday because she has school. And we're parked right in the corner. We're right in front of Haven's Properties. You can't miss us. If you bought a t-shirt at the car show, you probably bought it from us at one time. We've been doing it for several years. The Morro Bay Fire Department came in and put this huge American flag up. Thank you so much. It was very breathtaking. Hopefully next year we have somebody actually sing the national anthem. Oh my gosh, just 805 Customs. Check out their website, 805 Customs. He has custom t-shirts. He does towel work, things like that. It's actually a friend of mine, Steven. This is him here, hard at work selling t-shirts. He does custom towel work a lot. And you can see his vehicles as well. So 805 Customs, a shout out to you guys. Definitely check them out on the web. is here is the Ocean View Garage. This is where we sell the t-shirts out of Thursday and Friday. And then kind of close it down for the car show so we can walk around. Better view of the Ocean View Garage. It's typically closed during the year. We only use it for like family events and the car show. There's a few old cars in it. We are live here at the Morro Bay Car Show, walking around, enjoying the sights and the sounds, and all the cars. Every year is a good turnout. We had over 500 cars this year, almost sold out in all of our t-shirts. Today, of course, is Star Wars Day, so we're wearing our Star Wars garb out. May the 4th be with you. One of our favorite places to stop in while we're in Morro Bay is Doran's. We like to go down there and see Chris Doran. He's always a welcoming smile. This is the clam chowder. And we had a burger, so we kind of split the clam chowder and then we each had our own food. But I did have the burger. I was feeling, I needed some meat. Look at that. It looks like a Krabby Patty kind of, but it was delicious. Finally, it's Saturday night. Sarah's there. We went out and had a couple of adult beverages just to enjoy ourselves. Sarah had, of course, the non-alcoholic drink, but mine, it had tons of alcohol. She had a couple of sips just to try it out, but she was definitely the responsible driver that night, and she took care of us, getting us back to the hotel very safely. Dessert first, always. I always get full when I eat my food, so I always want to have dessert. You share it with your partner. I always get 2 spoons. Enjoy dessert first and then eat your meal. The alcohol drink, it was potent, but very good. Yeah. Sarah had crab cakes. She said they were delicious, and when I looked over to maybe sample them, they were gone. So I'm going to say that was a good rating for Sarah. I had a fish and chips on a captain's plate, but it also had like calamari and shrimp, things like that. Chips. Fresno's mayor, Jerry Dyer, was there. I got to go over and talk to him. Sarah said not to bring your phone and interrupt him. Can't stop me, just kidding. And of course, this is us, come out every year. This Random Adventures with the Garcias was an awesome time. Sarah got to go late, but you know what? We sold t-shirts, had a wonderful time with the crowd, walking around, checking out the cars. I want to thank all the volunteers, everybody's help. Scott, your guys' team's awesome down there. Thanks a lot for the invite. We'll see you guys next year. This is Random Adventures with the Garcias out. Random Adventures with the Garcias is recorded just for our opinion. We are not paid advertisement for any of the companies that we go into. We don't tell them who we are or what we're doing. We just record and then play it back later. So it's just our opinion on what we did. So if you see us wearing these 805 shirts, we're not paid by them. We go to the hotels, we're not paid by them. We also want to tell you too that none of the animals were harmed in the making of this film. They were already dead, we just paid to eat them. They were delicious. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube.